So if I were to go around over here and then type in something like this is a sentence, then you can see that this is what I have. Let me just go around and then wrap this out. Let me just go around on to help and type in wrap text right here so that I can immediately apply that. So you can see that it is in a singular line, and I can type in this is another sentence right here, just like this, and a sentence just like this. And you can see that this is in the cell and it wraps around. But let's say I want this in another line right here. So if I were to press enter, you can see that I actually come out of the cell. But let's say I want a line break right here. Then what I can do is I can go around over here. I can hold control on my keyboard and press enter. And now what happens is that it adds in a line break right here. Similarly, I can go around over here, press control enter, and then you can see that I can add in line break over here as well. And that is how you can add in line break. You can hold control on your keyboard and press enter to add in a line break. So you want to add in another line break right here. I'm going to press and control enter, and then I'm going to say this is another line again, just like this, and I'm going to press enter. And that is how you can add in line breaks inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.